I just wanted to click on this little chap and show you some other things. So I did cut myself out, and I want to try creating an image. So I've got an image here, and image lab 2, and I need a prompt, don't I? So let me come right back. Let's just pause that. So this is a very, I've been finding with Kaiber that sometimes just letting it run is better. Oh, it looks like I can add more images, so that's quite interesting there. Describe how the work is stylized. Image lab 2. So we've got some stencil. Okay, so there's lots of things you can do here with image. Let's just do a 916 and see what we get. Yeah, I think we had a really poor prompt there. I mean, the image isn't bad. It sort of doesn't look like me, obviously, but it is supposed to be a toy caricature. There's the laptop and the white shorts, flip flops. So yeah, it's kind of done what it's told, but it sort of deviated away from this image. So this was my first sort of attempt at doing images. There is a very interesting thing I wanted to show, which was explore all tools, and then there was some create an image, but there was, where did I see it? It was like a demo page, templates. Here we go. Storyboard animator. So if you look at this, you can see how the whole canvas kind of works in a way, and it sort of flows through. So you draw your elements here and create images from them, and then end up with a storyboard that you could later put into a video. So that's interesting. It sort of shows you how this is kind of like a flowing project. You know, we shouldn't be thinking of AI as just one shot and there's your video. You know, you have to plan scenes and things like that. So yeah, I've been having some fun with Kaiba, and I like the payment model. You can purchase little mini packs of credits and things like that. So, and there's no watermark, so it's one of the most generous ones I've seen so far. So hopefully you found this little video handy, and we'll get you over to Kaiba to give it a go. Thanks for watching.